Are you struggling with belly fat? This question is more common than you might think. As the years pass, it's quite usual to notice an increase of fat accumulating around the waistline. This is often due to the fact that muscle mass tends to decrease with age, while fat tends to increase. Now, while a bit of extra padding might seem harmless, it's important to understand that excess belly fat can actually pose several health risks. High blood pressure, high cholesterol levels, type 2 diabetes, breathing problems, and heart disease are all linked to carrying too much weight around the midsection. There are 3 types of belly fat: subcutaneous, intramuscular, and visceral. Subcutaneous fat is the layer that's just beneath your skin. Intramuscular fat is found within your muscle fibers, but the one that really raises eyebrows is visceral fat. This type of fat is nestled deep inside your belly, settling itself between your organs. What makes visceral fat particularly concerning is that even if you have a normal weight and body mass index or BMI, having too much of it can still lead to a variety of health problems. This is because visceral fat is biologically active, meaning it can interfere with your body's normal hormonal functions, increasing the risk of serious health complications. So, what can we do about it? Well, the good news is, there are many exercises out there designed specifically to tackle belly fat. Not all exercises are created equal when it comes to banishing belly fat, but adding physical activity to your daily routine is a great way to start. Scientists and doctors agree, regular exercise is a key strategy in burning off that unwanted belly fat and slimming down your waistline. Understanding the types of belly fat and their impact on health is crucial in finding the right exercises. So let's dive into the types of belly fat and then explore some of the most effective exercises for reducing it. Stick around because you're about to embark on a journey toward a healthier, fitter, and happier you. Did you know there are 3 types of belly fat? Yes, it's not all the same, and each kind carries distinct implications for our health. Let's dive right in. First, there's subcutaneous fat. This is the layer of fat that resides just beneath your skin. It's what you can pinch with your fingers. Next up is intramuscular fat. This type is nestled within your muscle fibers. It's why even muscular individuals can have a high body fat percentage. The last and most concerning type is visceral fat. This fat is tucked deep inside your belly, cozying up between your organs. It's not as easy to spot as subcutaneous fat, but it carries the most health risks. High blood pressure, high cholesterol, type 2 diabetes, breathing problems, and heart disease are all associated with excess visceral fat. Remember, even individuals with normal weight and body mass index can suffer from excess visceral fat. It's not just about the numbers on the scale, it's about where the fat is located. One of the most effective ways to burn off visceral fat is aerobic exercise. This form of exercise is all about getting your heart rate up and your blood pumping. It's about moving at a pace that's challenging but still allows you to talk. Incorporating at least 30 minutes of cardio into your daily routine can make a significant difference. Studies have shown that aerobic exercises help reduce not only belly fat but also liver fat. And the beauty of aerobic exercise is its flexibility. There are numerous ways to get your heart rate up and keep it there. Let's start with walking. Yes, something as simple as walking, especially at a brisk pace, can contribute to the reduction of belly fat. It's a low-impact activity, making it accessible for people of all ages and fitness levels. If you're looking for something a bit more vigorous, running might be your go-to. It engages your entire body, making your heart work harder and in turn, helping you burn more calories. Biking and swimming are other excellent options. They're both low impact, meaning they're easier on the joints than running, but they still provide a fantastic cardiovascular workout. Rowing and cycling are also great choices. They not only engage your lower body, but also work your upper body, providing a complete workout. And let's not forget about group fitness classes. These offer a fun and social way to get your cardio in. Plus, they're usually led by a professional who can ensure you're doing the exercises correctly and safely. The key to sticking with aerobic exercise, or any exercise really, is to find something you enjoy. When you look forward to your workout, it doesn't feel like a chore, but rather an enjoyable part of your day. So, whether you're lacing up your shoes for a run, hopping on your bike for a ride, or getting ready for a group fitness class, you're taking a significant step towards reducing belly fat. Remember, choose an activity that you enjoy to stay motivated and consistent. Have you heard of high-intensity interval training, or HIIT? This type of exercise routine is a game changer for those looking to control their weight and improve their overall physical condition. HIIT, in its simplest form, is about mixing short bursts of intense exercise with periods of lower intensity moves or even rest. The beauty of HIIT is that it doesn't require a lot of your time, yet it gets your heart pumping and works your entire body. Imagine this: 30 seconds of pushing your physical limits, followed by 30 seconds of catching your breath. Now repeat that cycle with different activities and you've got yourself a HIIT routine. Research supports the benefits of HIIT, showing that it can help in managing and reducing belly fat. What's more, it's a versatile form of exercise, suitable for people of all fitness levels. You don't need to be an elite athlete to reap the benefits of HIIT. Now let's dive into some examples of HIIT exercises. First on our list are jumping jacks. Simple yet effective jumping jacks get your heart rate up and engage multiple muscle groups at once. Next up, we have burpees. This full body movement combines a squat, push-up, and jump into one fluid motion. It's a challenging exercise, but the payoff is worth it. Push-ups are another great HIIT exercise. They work the chest, shoulders, and core, helping to build strength and endurance. While traditional push-ups may be challenging for some, remember that there are modifications to suit your fitness level. And let's not forget about high knees and jump squats, both fantastic exercises that combine cardiovascular training with strength building. Just remember to maintain proper form to prevent injury. To start your HIIT journey, choose a few exercises, perform each for 30 seconds, then rest for 30 seconds. When you've completed all your chosen exercises, repeat the cycle a few more times. In conclusion, HIIT exercises are time-efficient and versatile, suitable for people of all fitness levels. So, what are you waiting for? It's time to get your heart pumping and start melting away that belly fat. Weight training is another key component in the battle against belly fat. When it comes to the fight against fat, the more muscle you have, the better. This is because muscle burns more calories than fat even when your body is at rest. So the more muscle tone you have, the higher your resting metabolic rate will be, and the more fat you'll burn off. Now you might be thinking, but I don't want to bulk up, I just want to slim down. Don't worry, weight training doesn't always mean bulking up. It's all about how you train and the type of resistance you use. Remember, our goal here is not to turn you into a bodybuilder, but to increase your lean mass and decrease your fat mass. Resistance training, which includes weight training, is a great way to achieve this. It's been found to increase lean weight while decreasing fat. In addition, it can boost your metabolism, helping you burn more calories throughout the day. Think of your body as a car. The more muscle you have, the more fuel you'll burn, even when you're just idling. In the same way, a lean muscular body burns more calories and fat than a body with less muscle. Weight and resistance training can take many forms. It could involve lifting weights, using resistance bands, or doing exercises that use your own body weight, such as push-ups or squats. These activities all engage your muscles, helping to build strength and increase muscle mass. A well-rounded weight training routine should involve exercises for all your major muscle groups. This includes your legs, hips, back, abdomen, chest, shoulders, and arms. By working all these areas, you'll increase your overall muscle mass, which will help you burn off more belly fat. It's also important to remember that consistency is key. Like any form of exercise, the benefits of weight and resistance training come with regular practice. So, make it a part of your routine and stick with it. By building more muscle tone, you can burn off more fat even when your body is at rest. This makes weight and resistance training a powerful ally in your fight against belly fat. Abdominal exercises can specifically target the belly fat. This is because they are designed to work the muscles in your midsection, which is exactly where that stubborn belly fat tends to accumulate. Engaging these muscles can help tone your belly, improve your posture, and even alleviate lower back pain. Let's talk about a few effective abdominal exercises. First, we have the classic sit-up. This exercise works all your abdominal muscles and when done correctly can be a powerful tool in your belly fat-burning arsenal. To do a sit-up, lie on your back, bend your legs and place your feet firmly on the ground. Cross your arms over your chest and raise your upper body towards your knees, then slowly lower yourself back down. Remember, the movement should be smooth and controlled, not fast and jerky. Next up is the plank. This exercise targets not just your abs but your entire core, including your back and hips. Get into a push-up position but rest your forearms on the ground. Hold this position for as long as you can, keeping your body straight and your abs engaged. The bicycle crunch is another effective exercise for fighting belly fat. Lie on your back, place your hands behind your head, and bring your knees towards your chest. Then alternate bringing each elbow to the opposite knee, like you're pedaling a bicycle. This exercise is great for targeting the obliques, the muscles on the sides of your abdomen. Lastly, we have the leg raise. This exercise targets the lower abs, which are often neglected in other workouts. Lie on your back and slowly raise and lower your legs without touching the ground. This can be a challenging exercise, but it's worth it for the results it can bring. Incorporating abdominal exercises into your routine can help you slim down your waistline. Remember, consistency is key. If you stick with it, you'll not only see a reduction in belly fat, but you'll also feel stronger and healthier overall. So, are you ready to kick that belly fat to the curb? Let's jog our memory on the key points we've covered today. We've learned that belly fat comes in 3 types: subcutaneous, intramuscular, and visceral. This last one, the visceral fat, is the troublemaker we really need to keep an eye on. To tackle this unwanted guest, we have a 4-pronged approach: aerobic exercise, high-intensity interval training, weight and resistance training, and abdominal exercises. Each one plays a crucial part in our mission to trim down the waistline. Aerobic exercises get our heart racing and help burn off visceral fat. HIIT keeps our body guessing and boosts our metabolism. Weight training helps us build more muscle, which in turn helps burn off more calories. And lastly, abdominal exercises target the belly fat directly. Remember, consistency is key. Start slow, stay consistent, and watch the belly fat melt away. Before we wrap up, we want to remind you to subscribe to our channel. We deliver the best health and fitness tips to help you stay on track in your fitness journey. We're here to provide you with the knowledge and motivation you need to live a healthier and happier life. By subscribing, you ensure that you won't miss out on any of our valuable content. And don't forget to hit that notification bell. It's the best way to stay updated on our latest videos and tips. Thank you for watching. Remember, your health is your wealth. So make the investment today by clicking that subscribe button. Until next time, keep striving for better health and let's melt that belly fat away together.